Hi everyone, I'm glad to see you on the second day of our conference, and I would like to announce next speaker, Olena Vedmedenko, Sales and Support Team Lead at Keyapp, with the topic how generate more organic traffic by keyword installs for better monetization up in 2023. Um, Welcome,
Hello.
Lena. Wish you good luck. Yeah, stage is
Yeah,
yours.
thank you. Thank you. Hello, everyone. To be honest, it's a great honor to be a part of such a huge event. And as you may get, my name is Olena. I'm sales and support team lead at Keyapp. And if to talk quickly about Keyapp, we already during 7 years in keywords promotion as well as app reputation management. So among the services we provide, of course, the first of all is keyword promotion, which help to boost the app positions for search requests to top. And as well, we provide free app analytic tools and work with app reviews, so help to increase the app reputation for better conversion rates. So as you may get, today we will talk about mobile apps and particularly about our experience with mobile games promotion. So if to talk, for example, about my path in mobile games promotion, it was started 3 years ago when I joined Keyapp. So it is possible to say that within this period of time, we managed to, and particularly I managed to face huge amount of different cases of keywords promotion, and within this period of time we created our own strategies which can help your app to get top ranks in the best way. So today I would like to dedicate my speech to organic traffic and of course to keyword promotion, which helps to get this organic traffic. And first of all, let's discuss what organic traffic is. And personally, I like the definition given by Apps Flyer, which is pretty simple. And actually it says that in contrast to non-organic installs, which employ various techniques to try and get a user to download an app, organic installs describe downloads made by users who discovered the apps by themselves through the word of mouth or through keyword search or through some browse or explore on Google Play or App Store. So as you may see, organic traffic in the App Store can be attracted from keyword search, as I have said, and from browse and explore. So the first channel is users who find the app when they go to Google Play or App Store and type the search request in the search tab. And the second channel is users who come from the store recommendations. So on the App Store, this is called Browse, and on Google Play, Explore. And basically, these are different kinds of charts of some popular apps like App of the Week, our favorites, etc. But today, I would like to pay attention to one of the most important sources of organic traffic, and these are installs from the search. So installs from the search are downloads that are generated by organic users who find the app through the search request while typing them in the search bar on Google Play or App Store. Actually, this type of downloads is considered to be the most valuable one because when users go to mobile store and type any kind of search request, they already know what they would like to download and which type of the application they are intended to install. At this stage, I would like to mention that according to the statistics provided by different analytics and app store optimization platforms, on average, both non-gaming apps and games receive up to 50% of traffic from the search, from the whole number of organic installs. So let's check some statistics provided by Desk, and here are the statistics for non-gaming applications. And we may see that the percentage of search traffic is over 75 in the following categories like books, business, catalogs, education, music, news, and of course some social networks and utilities. If we are talking about games, actually this situation is a little bit different because it is known that usually users download games when they see some recommendations in some charts or, for example, in similar apps. But anyway, it is still possible to say that search traffic is an important part of organic traffic for games because according to the statistics, we may see that actually from the search apps receive up to 90% of installs in such categories as action, adventure, casual, education, some racing, and trivia games. And here I would like to pay attention to the way the store's algorithms are working because it is important to remember that not all the application may get top ranks for the search request, and back actually it is controlled by the store algorithm. First of all, when you go to Google Play or App Store and type any search request, without scrolling the screen, you will see in most cases from 2 to 6 apps, depending on the device, depending on the store. But anyway, usually only top 10 apps are seen on the screen without scrolling. And basically, this proves the theory that it is extremely important to be in top for search requests because in such a way the application becomes more visible and noticeable for organic users and it gets more chances to be downloaded. Of course, it is important to mention that basically the positions are different. The positions for the keywords, I mean for search requests, are different in different countries. The app may be in top 1 for the keyword drifting in the US, but in the United Kingdom it will occupy top 20. And of course, for different keywords the positions are different as well, and even the keywords with some mistypes are also different keywords, and the list of apps will be different. And the search list may differ depending on the device and Google account settings, and it is usually applied to Google Play. It is called the search list personalization, and for App Store, such situations are not observed in most cases. So let's start with the keywords. And first of all, I would like shortly describe what keywords are and why it is important to pay attention to keyword research and app store optimization. So as you may see on the screen, keywords are words and phrases associated with your app and typed by organic users on Google Play or App Store when they would like to find the application. On the screenshot, you see the keyword card drifting and the app list for this keyword on Google Play. But how to optimize the app? So it could be found with the search request, and here it is necessary to mention the App Store optimization, which already became the core thing in mobile marketing, and actually it is the first step the app developer or app marketer should do before any other type of promotion. And actually, App Store optimization is associated with visual optimization and text metadata optimization. But today we will talk about text and how this actually influences the positions for the keywords. And the first step which you can do while you optimize an app, while you create title, you create description, long description, short description, of course, is the keyword research. So if to talk about some advantages of keyword cloud optimization, of keyword research, when you gather all the possible keywords associated with your application, first of all, you will have the list of keywords for text metadata, and these keywords may be added to game title, game description. Then you will be able to analyze for which keywords your application is already indexed and can be found on the store in the top 250 application, because in most cases there are 250 apps in the search list on Google Play and App Store. So if the app is already published on the store, you will be able to get which keywords are already indexed, and maybe some of them already give some organic traffic. The third point is that you will understand the keyword popularity. Unfortunately, for Google Play, there is no official data about the keyword popularity and how often the users look for particular keywords on the store. But for App Store, there is a data from Apple Search Ads. It is called Search Ads Popularity, and basically they give this information for understanding how popular the keyword is on the App Store. Yeah. And of course, you will have the detailed analysis of current app position, and it is about indexed keywords as well. So you will be able to get which keywords can already bring some organic traffic to your game. How to proceed with keyword cloud optimization? Basically, nowadays, it is not as difficult task as it may seem. And of course, the first step you may do when you gather the keywords for your app is brainstorm by yourself with your team and just gather the group of keywords which are associated with your app and for which organic users may look and may find your application. Then, of course, you can proceed with competitors analysis. Of course, it is forbidden just to copy and paste the title or the description of your app. Of a competitor app, I'm sorry. But anyway, you can analyze their text and get which keywords they use in their text metadata. And of course, you can use a huge amount of App Store optimization services, which basically have the functionality of suggestions of the keywords. For example, you can add one keyword and get these suggestions, and basically that is the same as it is on Google Play or App Store. When you type the keyword in the search bar, you see some suggestions. So let's start with keyword promotion, what it is and how it influences your application. So keyword promotion is a process of app position increasing in the search list for a particular search request. And this type of promotion made with the help of keyword installs. So before you start any type of promotion, and particularly keyword promotion, it is needed to optimize an application, as I have said previously. The second step before starting keyword promotion is to work with app reputation. Actually, both app rating and app reviews are extremely important for conversion rate, because mostly users read at least several reviews under the app to get if it is worth downloading. And when we are talking about some influence on keyword promotion, it is important as well, because in most cases, Google or Apple doesn't allow to occupy top ranks for search requests if the application has low app rating. The third step, of course, it is needed to work with conversion rates, and it is also about the success of keyword promotion, because Google and Apple checks all the app metrics as well as any crashes, any bugs, and basically this influences the success of keyword promotion you conduct, and you can add a lot of keyword installs for some keywords and get no positions because the app rating is low or there are some issues with the app itself. I would like to pay attention how to choose the keywords for promotion. So first of all, remember that it is possible to promote the app only for the keywords for which the application is indexed. So basically, the app should be found on Google Play or App Store for this search request in the search list. The second is choose only relevant keywords for promotion. It is extremely important because when you choose some irrelevant keywords, even if these keywords are popular on the store and may bring a lot of traffic, but your application is not connected to this particular search request, even if you occupy top one for this search request, most probably you won't get any organic traffic from it, because as I have said previously, when users type any search request in the search bar, they know what they would like to download, and most probably the application won't get any organic traffic from irrelevant keywords. And the third is just the recommendation from me about mixing keywords of different popularity in promotion campaigns. Basically, all the keywords, all the search requests, both for Google Play and for App Store, are divided in 3 groups according to the popularity. The keywords of low, of middle, and of high popularity. And of course, everyone wants to target only the keywords of high popularity because we understand that they may bring more organic users. But anyway, it is needed to understand that the promotion of such keywords may take a longer period of time, and of course more keyword installs, and of course some more budgets, more ad budgets. And the recommendation from us is to mix the keywords of different popularity, because for the promotion of the keywords of low and middle popularity, you will spend less time and less budget, but anyway they still can bring some organic traffic to your application, and in such a way you will cover different search requests on the store for the particular country, for example. If we are talking about strategy for promotion, basically, if you have worked with App Store optimization previously, and if you have worked with both Google Play and App Store, you know that these stores are completely different. So they check different fields to get the indexation for the keywords. And when we are talking about keyword promotion, the strategies are different as well. For Google Play, it is important to promote the keywords for your game in groups, and these groups should have the same core element. For example, you have puzzle game and you would like to get top 1 for the keyword puzzle. In such a way, for Google Play, it is better to promote alongside such keywords as puzzle game, puzzle games, puzzle game for free, puzzle free, etc. And in such a way, Google Play understands that the game is promoted by a lot of connected keywords, and the positions in the list will increase faster. If we are talking about App Store, it is completely okay to promote the game only for the keyword puzzle, and the position will increase because for App Store, only the amount of installs the application gets for the search request is important. And if to talk about amount of installs for Google Play, usually lower amounts are used, like 5-10 installs if the positions are quite low, but the promotion process is longer, and it is needed to promote at least for 5-7 days. And if the keyword is popular, sometimes it may take even 2-3 weeks to get top ranks. And for App Store, the needed amount of installs to get higher position is higher, and the length of campaign is shorter, and it is completely okay to promote during 1-2 days. And as for the results for Google Play, the algorithm is working not as fast, and actually the results of the keyword promotion may be seen in 3-4 days. For App Store, it is already the next day. For example, today the promotion keyword campaign is finished, and tomorrow you will be already able to estimate some results. And if we are talking about importance of app metrics for App Store, they are not as important as for Google Play. And for Google Play, they are extremely important, and their algorithm check all the conversion rates and app activity, app rating, some crashes inside the app. So, and at this stage, let's check some examples about keyword promotion, so for you to understand what I mean and how this actually can bring your application to top ranks to get more organic downloads. So here is the example for Google Play, and the region we worked with is Great Britain. The keyword, the search request is car simulator. And as you may see, here is the strategy for Android, the long campaign, the different amount of installs daily, and basically we start with the position 35 and finished with top 3 in approximately 10 days. The second example is as well for Google Play. It is Germany. The keyword is 2048 online. And the same strategy for Google Play. Long campaign, every day increase. And actually, the starting position was 88. It is quite low. Because there are 250 positions, we remember, and we start with a low amount of installs at the beginning and increased this amount while the position increased, and in 2 weeks we managed to get top 1 for this keyword. One more example is for Austria. It is Google Play. The keyword is Mathe-Spiele, and the same actual strategy, low amount of installs. And here we increase the amount of keywords installs the application gets for the request Mathe-Spiele, just to support, just to keep the position at top one. Here are some examples for App Store. It is Poland. The keyword is gry matematyczne. And as you may see, the keyword promotion strategy is completely different. There are only 3 days in campaign. There is the same amount of installs daily. And basically, we managed to get top one already the next day after the promotion campaign was finished. One more example for App Store, it is already the USA. The US is one of the most competitive regions, and actually most app developers and app marketers would like to occupy top one in this particular country. But anyway, the keyword is quiz games. And here you may see that the campaign for App Store was quite longer, and usually it is called the campaign just to keep the position, because for us it was important to save this top one, as it is completely relevant keyword for the app, and it started to bring some organic traffic at the stage when the position increased from 181st to the first one. And the last example as well for App Store, it is Great Britain. The search request is Shark Simulator. And here is the same short campaign, just 4 days. And the starting position was 32nd. And actually already on the 4th day of campaign, we managed to achieve top one for the keyword. So if to talk about some factors which influence the success of keyword promotion, first of all, we remember that before starting any type of promotion, the application should be optimized, and it is both about text metadata and about some visuals that they influence the conversion rate. Of course, app reputation influences as well. It is about app rating, app reviews, and we remember that especially Google Play check this before they decide to put the application to top one for any keyword. Then app metrics. It is some in-app activity, conversion rate, some crushes, and of course, the success of keyword promotion depends on choosing of the right strategy. We remember that the strategies for Google Play and for App Store are different when we are talking about keyword promotion. And of course, choosing of the keywords. And we remember that we promote the application or the game only for relevant keywords, because only such type of search request may bring some organic traffic and may lead to the increase of the users your application gets. So basically, that's all. It was a great honor for me. And if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer. And also, you can contact me on Telegram if so.
Thank you for your fantastic lecture. I guess we could check the question.
Yeah, sure.
What should the young studios consider about games monetization? I mean, like maybe you could recommend like key things.
First of all, I would recommend, of course, as I have said previously, to work with organic traffic, because it is extremely important, and basically it is non-paid source of traffic, but it should be the biggest part of the traffic actually the game or the app receives. And for this, of course, we remember that any type of promotion, like any actions you do with app or with the game, starts with App Store optimization. And according to some last researches I have found, both from Data A, some App Follow researches, they say that App Store optimization is a core thing. And nowadays, Google Play and App Store pay even more and more attention to the text metadata, and to, of course, to visuals, because visuals are so important when we are talking about some conversion rate. So if we are talking about this connected to the sphere we work, in, like App Store optimization, keyword promotion, I would like to recommend to start all the actions with App Store optimization, because I see a lot of cases when no App Store optimization is done, and actually it is extremely hard to work with such applications and to get some users even from some paid channels, because it just bring no conversion from view to download, for example, when some visuals are not optimized.
Yes, makes sense. Okay, thank you. I guess it was only one question for now, but thank you for sharing your contacts. I guess audience
Yeah,
could ask
thank you.
directly. Thank you for your time and for your interesting lecture. I hope to see you during our next conferences, and I wish you to have good holidays.
Yeah, thank you. It was a great honor. Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.